Turkey is a wonderful destination. If you're dreaming of going to Europe, here you will find beautiful landscapes with breathtaking, rocky views and beaches. With crystal clear waters, this beautiful country has many invaluable monuments and relics which remind us of Turkey's incredible history. Turkish lands witnessed different cultures like Greco-Roman, Ottoman, Ethiopian influences, and even more. Are you still not sure about traveling to this gorgeous country? Come with us and discover 10 amazing places that will make you book the next flight to Turkey. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos. Number 1. Istanbul. This city is known for being an outstanding balance between Eastern traditions and Western modernity. Walk the narrow old town streets and find the perfect souvenir in the Grand Bazaar for the Egyptian spice market. Visit the Dolmabahce Palace and marvel at its luxurious interior and beautiful royal gardens. During your stay in this unforgettable city, take a stroll along the Istiklal Street. This place is full of stores, cafes and restaurants where you will enjoy local specialties such as Turkish coffee. And you can also admire the Hagia Sophia. This was once the main seat of Constantinople and was the most remarkable architectural achievement of the Byzantine Empire, and currently it runs as a mosque. But if you want to enjoy a panoramic view of Istanbul, you should visit the Galata Tower. It's one of the highest points of the city and from where you can admire its beauty. Definitely a must when you're in Istanbul. Number 2. Uludeniz. Uludeniz village is an incredible touristic spot for those who are chasing relaxing places in this part of the world. Lush forests are surrounding the entire place. And on the coastline, you will find one of the most famous beaches in all of Turkey. Visit the famous Deep Blue Lagoon, which is a natural reserve. You just can't miss the delicious seafood here. And you can also take to the skies while paragliding and enjoy the beautiful views, or tour the Uludeniz mountains and find the ruins of the village of Kayakur. The natural environment of the village is a favorite destination for those who love hiking and outdoor activities. Number 3. Alidaglar National Park. People who enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, or the likes should visit this park to experience adventure. While traveling in Turkey, the Turkish government declared it a national park. In 1995, this park has everything you need for an unforgettable vacation. You will find all kinds of wildlife such as goats, bears, wolves, birds of prey. But you have nothing to worry about. There are areas designated for human enjoyment without being exposed to dangerous situations. You can camp among extensive pine forests, raft the rapids, and explore the park accompanied by a guide. If your thing is swimming and enjoying refreshing waterfalls, then you should stop by the Kapos Basha Falls. Wildlife photography. Enthusiasts consider this place a unique place to capture the best moments of nature. The natural wonders of this park are waiting for you. Number 4. Pamukkale. If you're heading to the Denizli province, don't forget to stop by the beautiful Pamukkale. A UNESCO declared this incredible natural phenomenon part of the World Heritage Site in 1988. This place looks like iced waterfalls, but they are thermal springs that emerge to the surface by the constant, technical movements of the mountain. And its whitish color is due to the accumulation of minerals in these natural pools. You can walk from the base of the mountain and go up to the water wells, sit for a while and enjoy the healing waters. Number 5. Izmir. People say that Izmir is one of the most beautiful cities in all of Turkey. Here you can find places like the famous Kemeraltı Market. The market combines the classic bustle of vendors, with beautiful jewelry, handcrafts, clothes and souvenirs that attract travelers who want to take a piece of Izmir with them. Admire the Hisar Mosque during your visit, one of the largest in Izmir. Once inside, view its beautiful designs and unique colors without a doubt. A historical building worth seeing at least once in your lifetime. Take a walk through Konex Square where you'll find the famous Izmir Clock Tower. It has 4 fountains at its base and about 25 meters high. This beautiful tower has a design from the Ottoman culture. Number 6. Ephesus. Thousands of tourists every year visit Ephesus because it contains the ruins of various historical monuments of ancient times. Tour the different attractions that Ephesus offers, such as the Via de Karate, one of the city's main roads. You will find many sites of interest such as the Temple of Hadrian. The hillside houses Hadrian's Gate, the Library of Celsus and many others. And don't forget to pass by the ancient theater. It's considered the largest arena in the world. The architecture mixes Greek and Roman nuances. And here is where the Ephesus Festival takes place, a great festival that recalls the old customs of this ancient city. Number 7. Alanya. The city of Alanya is one of the favorite tourist spots for travelers who loved adventure, history, and beaches in the summertime. Beaches on the center of attention of tourists. And their favorite is the Cleopatra Beach. This beach is famous because Queen Cleopatra bathed in its waters during her escapades with Marco Antonio in the rocky massive of the city. This imposing castle is one of the most important archaeological remains of the town. The area is open to the public. Within the facilities, you will find the Seljuk and Medic fortress and several ancient houses in the citadel. You must visit the archaeological museum and learn about the historical findings of the country. Many of these artifacts date back to more than 500 years B.C. Another interesting place is the Dom Lada Caves. It's the perfect place for travelers seeking adventure. More than 30 meters long here, you can observe the spectacular formations of stalagmites. Number 8. Antalya. Antalya, with 2 million people, has long been an important port. Its narrow streets are labyrinth-like, but it's the best option for those looking for delicious food and drink. Don't forget to stop by Hasim, Iskan Cultural Center and Antalya State Theater and enjoy the best theatrical and musical performances in town. The city, in general, has witnessed various cultural arrivals and every one of them has left their mark there. That's why throughout the city you can find remains of ancient structures dating back to the 7th century BC. If you want to swim and enjoy the sunlight, you can visit the beach club located in the port. This place is a beach without sand, so you can rent a beach umbrella and a stand to relax and enjoy the weather. Number 9. Cappadocia. Located in central Turkey, it's a place of unique charm and stunning features. There's many caves and subway buildings carved into the rock of the mountains that cover the place. It's a fascinating sight to tour and explore. Enjoy the unique experience of observing this beautiful city from a hot air balloon. From there, you will recognize the famous fairy chimneys, these mushroom-shaped rock formation stand out on the surface of this Turkish area. If you want to know more about its history, we recommend visiting the open-air museum of Goring. Those who love hiking will feel at home, walking through the enormous valleys full of rocks, such as the Alara Valley. You can also visit the caves that are part of the beautiful subway cities such as Kaymakli. Warren Silva. Number 10. Mount Nemrut, preserved thanks to its UNESCO World Heritage Site designation. This tourist attraction is spiritually significant. The attraction of this place is its giant statues, representing ancient Armenian, Greek and Persian gods, and animal figures such as lions and eagles. King Antiochus designated it as a burial mound, a place of eternal rest for ancient kings. It has remained remarkably well preserved over time. Many visitors come to learn about the history of this place through guided tours. You will want to enjoy the beautiful sunsets of the Turkish firmament, and this mountain will give you the best views besides enjoying the incredible tourist attractions. Don't miss the opportunity to taste the local gastronomy. Its citizens are friendly people, ready to welcome tourists. In short, Turkey is a complete tourist destination, which will meet the requirements of the most challenging traveler, whether it's for an extended stay or just a short trip. We recommend you discover the tourist potential of Turkey. If you enjoyed this video, please like video and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.